Can you increase the amount of XRP that you have? Recently on the channel, we went over the XRP Ledger automated market maker, what it is, the yield you can expect, the risks involved, and today we will go on the DevNet, do some testing, and make a tutorial on how to become a liquidity provider. Now, on the last video, I stated if we get over 100 likes, I will give away $50 in the next video. Unfortunately, the goal was not reached, so I'm carrying it over to this video. So if we get over 100 likes on this video, I will give away $50 in the next video. So if that said, leave a like down below, make sure you are subscribed, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first we have the delay. What has actually happened? Because last time we made a video, we were waiting on February 14th for it to go live, but there was a bug and went below 80% consensus. Now we are waiting for the enough nodes to update to 2.1.0 update, then we can actually vote on the AMM. This might take weeks, possibly even months. So instead of waiting until it's done, I've made a tutorial video today. Then you can look back on this video when it's finally in place. Okay, so now we are on to the tutorial, and this is on DevNet, which is intended for practicing, and the funds have no real monetary value. So you're going to need Orchestra Finance. I will leave this down below in the description, all these down below in the description. You're going to need the Gem Wallet and XRP faucet. So the first thing we want to do is download the Gem Wallet, get that set up. Then when you're about to import the wallet, go over to XRP faucets, go to DevNet and generate your credentials. And you're going to need the secret phrase and import that on the Gem Wallet. Okay, so now that you're on to Gem Wallet, go to import wallet, go to secret phrase, paste that in, then create a password. Okay, so now that you are on the Gem Wallet, you want to go to the top right to mainnet, then you want to go down to DevNet, then you should be able to see your 10,000 XRP balance. Then go over to Connect Wallet, go over to Gem Wallet. For some reason, it's not connecting right now. Let's try that one more time. There we go, Connect Wallet. Then we can approve that. And then we are finally connected to this. Now you want to set up some trust lines. So let's go over to DevNet faucet. Let's set up some BTC. So set trust line. Let's approve that once again. And once that goes through, we should have a couple Bitcoin. And all you have to do after that is click Get BTC. And obviously, when I say approve, there's a approve option come up here. You cannot see it on the screen, but that does come up with the extension of Gem Wallet. Then you want to go to Liquidity Pools. We can see the vast range here. We're going to go with XRP and BTC. Now, you can actually do this if you only have XRP as a single asset. But today, we're going to do both. Let's just say 5,000 XRP. So let's deposit that. It does both amounts. Approve over here. You cannot see it on screen, but Gem Wallet is loading up to approve that. Then it'll be done. And now on screen, we can see our share in the liquidity pool. So if we click on that, we can see our LP tokens, 0.01% of what we own of the pool, and the fee down there. Now in the previous video, we explained the potential yield you can receive based on the fee and how much you own of that pool. Obviously, the more, the better. Go and check that out in the previous video in the top right. Now, once you've done that as well, you can also create your own liquidity pools if none suffice with the cryptos you're wanting to actually add. So we can go to choose pair. Let's go XRP again, and let's go with nuts here. Quite an interesting coin, but let's do single asset as we only have XRP. Let's keep it lower at 2,000 per XRP and approve that once again. And once that is done, you can see the XRP nut is a lot lower in liquidity, but you own a larger share of the pool itself. So it's up to you to find the best deals of owning a large amount of the pool, but actually also having high liquidity. You can also vote to change the trading fees and many other things, but just play around with it, test, learn, make mistakes so that you are ready for when it actually approaches. Now you can do this on Orchestra Finance, Anodos Finance, and many, many more. And until you can become a liquidity provider, you're going to need your XRP to be safe on a cold wallet. And I always recommend a decent hardware cold wallet for many, many reasons. First, the price point. With the discounts in the description down below, it's a lot more affordable than the main offers that Ledger, for example, are offering. Also, if you hold your crypto on Ledger, it's important to decentralize yourself across multiple wallets in case of losing keys or that company failing or whatever it may be. It's important to have your crypto on multiple wallets across the board. Also, in terms of supported coins, there was a long time XDC was only available on Decent. This is similar for future coins with their own chains. Decent is usually a lot quicker. Also, in terms of what's available with Decent Hardware Wallet, a big screen, just 4 buttons, really easy to navigate. Authentication, biometric is the best wallet. Links are in the description down below. And now, last, we are on to expectations. When will it arrive? Realistically, no one actually knows. It seems like the XRP community cannot catch a break. Previously, with the lawsuit taking forever, now the AMM getting delayed over and over. I understand that they're trying to reach for zero risk. In my opinion, I don't think that can be achieved, but they know more than I do, and it will come when it is supposed to actually arrive. So I'm willing to wait. My expectations are a couple of months from now, more in towards May, June sort of time with the AMM approaching. Be sure to let me know down below, what is your opinions on the AMM? Will you be participating? Are you going to put forward your XRP as a liquidity provider, or are you staying far away from it? Let me know down below. But this final video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Market makers are poised to become a major cornerstone of global crypto liquidity across all assets and multiple chains. So what am I talking about? What is an automated market maker? What's a market maker? What does it mean to automate one? Well, in any trade, there's one party that offers the liquidity and one party that takes the liquidity. The party that offers the liquidity is called the maker. The party that takes the liquidity is called the taker. Market makers allow people to buy and sell an asset when they want by keeping the liquidity available. Automated market makers do this continuously without human intervention, always willing to trade whatever assets they handle. So if you want to buy something or sell something, let's say a stock, you would typically choose the timing and the direction. I want to buy 5 shares of Microsoft now. I want to sell 20 shares of Microsoft now. The market maker is always available to provide the counterparty to that buy or sell, but they charge you a fee for that service. This is called a spread. And so what that means is that they'll buy at one price and sell at another price and profit from the difference. So they'll sell you an asset for slightly more than a sort of mid-market or fair price, and they'll buy an asset from you for slightly less than a mid-market or fair price. This allows them to protect themselves against risk because they have to hold the assets that they want to so that they can sell them to you. And of course, after they buy an asset, they have to hold it. And so they take risk. And so they price in that risk in the spread that they charge you. Since an automated market maker can buy or sell an asset at any time, they have to have a pool of every asset that they're going to sell. Obviously, you can't sell something if you don't have it to sell. They borrow these pools from people willing to lend. So another interesting thing about automated market makers is they provide this sort of service for people who are willing to lend assets to the automated market maker to provide these pools of assets that they can trade. And in most implementations, these loans provide a variable return. So it's a loan that behaves more like an investment. You give them an asset, let's say, 5 XRP, and you get some sort of claim against the automated market maker's pool that may change in value as that pool grows and shrinks. And obviously, the objective would be to get a positive return.